Hi, I'm Fred from Fred's Box, and I've got this treat because I've been really good at school and I got 3 certificates. I wonder what's inside. Designed by Marno. He's an awesome designer. Fred's Box card. Fred's Box little mini sticker.
Who is it, Fred?
Harry Potter. From Harry Potter. I don't know who that character, I've forgotten who that character was. That one. I think it's Dumbledore. Hermione, and I've forgotten her name. Ron Weasley. That's Death Eater, I think. I think that's a Death Eater. Oh, come on. Oh, I can't sum this up. So hard. Yes, got it. Ooh, who's this? Harry Potter. Harry Potter. I do not know who that is. Might know, but I just might not know her in Lego character. And this last character, Ron Weasley's dad, that is. Thank you for watching this video. So, I was hoping if you could subscribe on this channel.